In this tutorial, you will learn how to convert EDCOIN into EDPOINTS. Please note that the conversion rate of EDCOIN to EDPOINTS is dependent on your country of KYC. In this tutorial, the rate used is for the Philippines. Congratulations on wanting to convert your EDCOIN to EDPOINTS. Click on Conversion. Enter your EDA number. Click on Verify to ensure that the EDA number you have entered is valid. Then enter the amount of EDCOIN you would like to convert into EDPOINTS. You can click on Max to convert all of your EDCOIN. Press on Calculate to view the conversion calculation. During an EDPOINTS bonus campaign, you will receive additional EDPOINTS when you convert your EDCOIN. In this tutorial, a bonus percentage of 2% is shown, and the total EDPOINTS you will receive is calculated for you. Choose Email Authentication or Google Authentication to complete the conversion. In this example, we have selected Email Authentication. After checking our email inbox, we see 551350 and enter it. Then click on Submit. If Google Authenticator was your preferred setting, after clicking on Google Authentication, please check your Google Authenticator app. In this example, we use 551350 and click on Submit. Congratulations! You have successfully converted your EDCOIN into EDPOINTS. During the EDPOINTS bonus campaigns, your conversion will receive additional bonus EDPOINTS. Master EDCOIN Wallet, your all-in-one wallet for all things EDCOIN.